Yes.
You are a very hard working person.
Where you seen that?
Yes, I did. Yeah, I have also some work in agriculture, like dhan. What is the meaning of
Oh,
in English? Dhan? I don't know. But
what, what,
there is a
bro?
good. Okay.
What?
So okay, I did work and just my work finished. I'm still steady, but now I'm boring, so I finished my work. So I thought I can call any person, friends, circle. So
Oh,
what are you doing? It's sleeping time or study time?
yes. This is sleeping time. Just I
Yes,
want to talk somebody. That's why I called you.
yes.
What are you doing, bro?
So sometimes I'm study in English
Oh,
grammars, like something silent work. Do you know English silent word? So
silent words. Uh-huh.
yes, yes. So I must study something. It's very good ideas to write what's speaking or not
Oh,
in English language only.
you are from Uttar Pradesh, na?
I'm from Bihar and I
Oh,
am
Bihar.
presently live in Begusrai.
Yes. I remembered. No problem.
Telangana. Yeah.
Yes, Telangana. Okay. What next?
Uh,
Have food.
what do you say?
Ha- Have you taken meals? Rice. Have
I'm not
food.
under,
Food.
I'm not understand what you're saying. So
Means
I have one topic
have
and discuss.
have you taken this time dinner?
Yes, I did.
Yes. Okay. I had that
Many
time.
yeah,
Okay.
I take
No.
dinner 2 hour
Mm,
ago.
What is curry?
Curry, no, I'm taken vegetable and bread.
Mm, okay. Next. Then what? Where were you gone today?
I'm went to three places: Singhol and mall, and I need one book, so I purchased this book. But my
Which book?
friend also, yes,
Which book?
English grammar. But my friends also told me, "Ki, this is, please give me one day this book. I'm saying
Okay,
all chapters."
you can study English book, no problem. Grammar also you can study. But nowadays we are reading so many books that's not giving English talking. It's only saying what we are doing mistakes, what we are talking. It's only saying, but talking is better. I
Yes,
think.
practical is most important things.
Yeah.
Meaning,
Practice is means perfect.
absolutely.
We can follow that's only.
Yes.
Then also now also I can't the
But
I can't
but
read the.
grammar is very important.
Yes, grammar also important too. Tenses enough. Tenses
No,
direct,
you
indirect.
also know
What you
preposition, conjunction, articles, silent word,
but
rhyming words, and you have different types of vocabulary. Dictionaries is
there
also important. There are
correct.
lots of things very important. Not only yeah.
Example now. No. That is good habit. I am not. what that you
Saying
can study.
wrong.
You can study, no problem. But after continuously studying, after 1 month or 2 months, you can uh, forget the all. Whenever you read the
Yes.
before all of this,
Yes.
you
Yes.
continue. It's continuous process. Reading,
Yes. Yes. Absolutely.
talking,
Absolutely.
talking. Whenever you want to talk English, that is your good knowledge.
Yes. Yes.
It's
Absolutely.
automatically. You will get the automatically.
Yes. Automatically comes for your mind. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah. What
So
about Deepavali in your state? It's
yeah,
good.
it's very fantastic Diwali and
Oh,
celebrating all times. And I have two festivals here. Kali festival. Do you know
mm.
Kali festival?
Kali, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, Kali festival
I,
and two festivals together. Kali Kali worship and Diwali. And both are very enjoyable, and I'm celebrating very excited, and
yes, yes.
all things very better. So
Oh,
because there are something in the story in Diwali and Kali is very interesting story. So I'll learn something
oh,
because
okay.
some years grow. There are lots of story.
Uh, now I think you are preparing for PSC, Public Service Commission,
Yes, UPSC. I'm preparing for UPSC. Yes,
central jobs.
yes.
Mm. What next then, bro? What?
So after completed BBS, I'm appear for UPSC exam. After not completed, I have also I have gone. I'm become a good English speaker.